You probably heard that the hardest part of AI isn't the AI, it's knowing what to ask it. And with that, I wanted to show you the latest release of Gamma AI. Gamma is the tool that helps you to create a presentation, deck, landing pages. I use the free version, so you may try it as well. If you use Gamma, you need to see the latest release with 100 prompts to spark your imagination. And basically, it will give you an idea of the prompts to use to generate presentations, documents, or whatever else you need to build through Gamma AI. You click to view the prompt. You can automatically build it there, or you can copy the prompt and go to the application. And for that reason, let me log in. We have my account created. Just a moment. So you click on create new. For this example, we want to generate based on the prompt. I paste the prompt I previously wanted to test. So for me, it's just simple: build a plan for L&D trained modular builder app, exploring customer segments, value props, revenue stream, and key partnership. So when you generate, the system will first of all provide outline of what it thinks it should include. In a free version, it's just a 10 slides only, but it's still enough. You can then decide what sorts of style you'd like to use, illustration, and so on. I'm not going to make any changes. Let's just generate and see what AI will do for us. Okay, it's in the progress, but look how quick it is. Of course, it's just a simple prompt, but for those that know a bit more about prompt engineering, you can then edit it, add additional details, play with the tool to have it based on your requirements. And I'm not doing anything. It's all done by AI. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Okay, so we are almost at the end. And that's it. My presentation is fully completed. Now, of course, because it is AI, I have capability to add additional slides based on my needs manually, or I can add the card with AI and I can describe information. Add examples for L&D out AI. Let's just say what options are possible. So you can play, you can make changes, you can change the layout, diagrams, charts, whatever else is there. And look at that. It's done literally in seconds. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you try the prompts library. It's really interesting. Let me just go back to front, look at all the different options available based on your role, copy, paste, play with it, and enjoy.